Hello children, in today's video you will see how you can solve the questions of gap filling and sentence reordering. Here we have an example of gap filling. I'll show you one passage in which there are 3 gaps and you have to fill them with appropriate words. Let's see what kind of a gap filling exercise it is. Amitabh Bachchan, popularly known Big B, and before it is a blank in which we have to fill as because it is the appropriate word which can be filled over here. So Amitabh Bachchan, popularly known as Big B, is a person who faced many ups and downs in his life. In the beginning of his career in the film industry, he struggled to get a good role, but with his determination, he established himself as an actor. So in this small passage, children, you must have seen that we can fill these blanks with appropriate words which are suitable to be filled over here. So now I am sending you some exercises which you can practice for your exam. Now I'll show you one more kind of question. Choose the most appropriate option from the ones given below the passages. Write your answer in your answer sheet against the correct number. Do not copy the whole passage. So in this type of a question, you will get a passage with some blanks in it. And for each blank, suppose we have blank number A. So you can see over here that A has 4 options. And from these 4 options, you will have to choose one which will be the most appropriate one to fill into this blank. Now see how we can do it. In today's modern world, blank, contemporary youth has better opportunities, blank, better lifestyle. So we will see that for option A, for the question A, we have 4 options. Out of these 4, we have chosen the. Let's see how it works. In today's modern world, the contemporary youth has better opportunities. Now let's come to the B one. We have 4 options, but, and, or, so. So the most suitable seems to be and. So we'll fill it in blank number B. Opportunities and better lifestyle. But unfortunately, some youngsters have associated better lifestyle. Now let's come to the C one. We have 4 options with, for, from, to. And the most suitable is with. Associated better lifestyle with fashion. The youngsters adapt themselves to these. From these 4, this, these, that, those. The most suitable one is these. So, these fast changing fashions. They, now let's come to the E one, can, ought, must, will. I have selected must. They must be stopped from ruining. Let's see the last one. It has 4 options. Your, there, are, there. So this one is the most suitable one over here. I'll read out the sentence once again. They must be stopped from ruining their lives. So in this way, this is another kind of a gap filling question. I have shown you one more form earlier and this is the another form. I am sending you some exercises, some questions which you can practice for your exam. So these 2 examples will be followed by a number of questions. You practice them and if any difficulty is there, you can message me. I'll help you out. Now we have sentence reordering. In this, we will be given few questions in which the sentences will be jumbled. We have to arrange them in a proper order. This is called sentence reordering. Let's see, I'll read out the question to you, what kind of a question you can get. Look at the words or phrases given below. Rearrange them to form meaningful sentences as given in the examples. The first one has been done as an example in some questions. So, we'll see that what kind of an example is given over here. Always slash the slash gives slash best slash nature slash us. Now this is a jumbled group of words. We have to form a meaningful sentence out of these words. Let's see how it has been done. Nature always gives us the best. Now we have 3 more questions following this one. You can see few jumbled words over here and I have formed a sentence out of it. Always keep this in mind. See, all these words are available over here. You simply have to put them in a proper order to make a meaningful sentence. Here you can see number of words in the second question, and out of these I have formed one meaningful sentence. Let's see the sentence. Adopt the safest ways to keep soil fertile. All these words once again are here in the question, so you have to put them in a proper order. The last one is a simpler one. Maintain slash cooperate slash nature slash to. So what comes out of it is cooperate to maintain nature. In this way, you can form meaningful sentences out of these jumbled words. I am sending you some questions to solve. You can just do them and help yourself. And if you are not able to understand, I'll help you out in my next video.